Okay, so we're off again. Off again. I gently put the bucket on my bed. The reason why you have your mud a little bit drier is that it's easier to work with. When I used to have apprentices, I'd say to them, this is how you do it. Now go away and go down the beach in the weekend, take your levels and go and practice in the damp sand at the beach. And you shape yourself a shower floor, an imaginary shower floor, and you practice and you practice and you practice. And you become a good screeder. See, these days I have even seen advertisements saying that can the tiler, something like, can the tiler screed? Is he capable of screeding? Well, a tiler is not a true tradesman if he can't screed. Right, see that level? See the bubble? That's level. My aluminium is dead level, so that's what I go off. It's dead level there. So I go at the correct height and I'm home and hose. Knowing that my tile, see, I'm pretty flush there, but by the time I'm actually doing it and I have glue under my tile, it will come up slightly above that aluminium. It can be just like that now and look like that because it all gets covered, but in the situation of a bigger shower and you've got a full frameless shower with no aluminium and it's straight glass down to the floor, well then you have it sitting slightly above and you make that look like a grout join. But then you work everything out to your tile size. This situation, I don't have to set the shower out to an exact tile because it all covers. But in a bigger shower, you have it like that, and the end is like that. So you put your aluminium you set your aluminium out according to your tile. I've got one to do. It's another 2.5 jobs away, 2.5 bathrooms away, so I'll be showing you then. That just a piece of glass will be at the shower, and you walk in, no door, no nothing. So all that gets done to full tiles. So yeah. Right, so I'm wanting to create a fall. Okay, cool. I just put the GoPro back on my head. Now, what's happening here is, see that? Can you see that bubble? See the fall? It's level. It's level on the outside here, falling to the waist there. See how I've got it on the triangle? Every shower gets done the same. See the fall? I could give it a little bit more there. I haven't got enough there. I'll make sure of that when I'm tapping my tile down. I'll be checking that. But the best, even for a DIY, I do recommend you go to the beach or get some kids' sand pit and practice doing a shower, so you're not under pressure when you're actually doing it, and it's and the cement's in it and it's drying and all that jazz. If you practice with damp sand to start with, recreate your shower, be confident in screeding a shower, and then put cement with it, and you'll be home and hose. But the fall, see that? Brilliant. It's falling, yes, it's falling that way from the corner, but my shower is screeded from that corner to there, from that corner to there, not like that. It's not screeded. If it was screeded like that, I'd have a hollow, and that's not right. So what I'll do now, I've numbered off my tiles, like that's number 4. I've laid these out in the 4 tiles together and marked my waist. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That goes to the back there. So what we're doing is that's what it's going there, but I need to cut there. So I turn it around. And that's it there, see?